Okay, tuturo ko naman kung paano mag-solve ng radical equation. Okay, meron tayong dalawang example. Doon sa ating more examples ay sa YouTube channel kayo mag-follow. Okay? Number 1, square root of 2x plus 1 equals 3. Number 2, 2 times square root of 6y plus 7 equals 10. Okay, number 1. Okay, ang gagawin lang natin dito, kailangan matanggal natin ang radical sign sa kaliwa. Paano mangyayari yon? I-square lang natin both sides. Okay, square root of 2x plus 1 equals 3. I-square natin both sides. Okay, para ma-remove at ma-eliminate yung ating radical sign. Okay, bring down radicand 2x plus 1. 3 squared, 9. Okay, wag natin kakalimutan na square din yung right side, kaya nga both sides. Ito yung mangyayari, magkakaroon tayo ng linear equation. 2x plus 1 equals 9. Okay, next. 2x equals 9. Ililiban na natin ang equal sign yun, magiging negative 1. Although, alam natin yung additive inverse, para hindi na humaba yung solution natin, nag-transpose na lang tayo ng positive 1 sa right side, naging negative 1. 2x equals 9 minus 1 is 8. Then, i-divide both sides natin sa numerical coefficient, yung kasama ng x, para matira na lang yung x. Okay, x equals 8 divided by 2 is 4. Therefore, the value of x here is 4. Next, sa given number 2 naman, ayan, meron tayong numerical value, which is 2. Okay, tingnan muna natin yung ating constant term, 10. Divisible ba yon? 10 divided by 2, yes. Pwede nating i-divide both sides agad sa ating 2. Makakancel na yon. Matitira na lang ang 6y plus 7 equals 10 divided by 2 is 5. Okay, ganun lang ulit ang gagawin natin para matanggal ang radical sign, square natin both sides. Ayun. Okay, then bring down the radicand. 6y plus 7 equals 5 squared is 25. Okay, then 6y equals 25. Positive 7 going to right side will become negative 7. Okay, 6y equals 25 minus 7 is 18. Then, divide both sides by 6. 6. Okay. Y equals 18 divided by 6 is 3. Okay, therefore, the value of y here is 3.